What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another day in the life. Well, lighting is so bad. Anyway, I was supposed to start off the video in the car when I left work at 7 a.m. but I did forget my SIM card at home. But now I just got home. It is right now, let me tell you guys right now what time it is. 7:42 in the morning. I'm tired. I put another overnight shift. Thankfully, that's the last overnight shift of the week, the month. That's my last overnight shift for the rest of my life. Anyway, hopefully I don't fall asleep like yesterday and wake up at 11:34 and then have to explain the charge, because it was annoying. Anyway, I'm gonna put an alarm for 9:30. I'm gonna go to sleep for like an hour and wake up for the trading session. As you guys can see, I did not go to sleep. I'm here. I'm ready to trade. Anyway, we did mark our levels on NQ. It is 9:32, and now we did mark our levels on NQ. As soon as market open, though, we get straight dumps down. I'm pretty sure it's because maybe the employment claims news not hit now, but the volatility is coming in now. But yeah, everything just dipped down. Honestly, it looks like it's gonna be a bullish day today. We do got bullish market structure, so we're gonna see what happens. Alright, so if the candle closes bearish, we do have the 5-minute reaches that we need to continue to the 1 minute and look for trades to go up. But until that happens, he is taking no trade pending home sales at 10 a.m. So we'll see what the manipulation is. All right, so it's a little later in the day, but there was no trade today because we didn't get that break of structure, and today the market just went down completely. I'm pretty sure it went down because of these home sales and crude oil. It was straight bearish news, so it just dumped down the whole day. It just literally like, it didn't care about breakup structure. It didn't care about market structure today. It just literally just dumped. It broke every single structure you can imagine. But it is what it is. We didn't take a trade today. That's fine, because it's better than losing, like I say. But yeah, let's just get our day started. All right, it's a little later in the day. I ended up not taking any trades today. I've been super tired lately, but now I'm replenished, I'm rehydrated, I'm good now. I'm not doing any more overnight, thankfully. So tomorrow's vlog will be back to regular. It won't be so short, it won't be so, low energy. Anyway, we did end up taking no trades today. Price just kept heading down, broke structure, did everything that it shouldn't have, that I didn't want it to do, but it did. I'm not gonna complain. I'm just gonna keep going with our day. I'm gonna go pick up some food right now. It's not gonna be too crazy. I think I'm gonna get some rotisserie chicken with some rice and some fried yuca, whatever. But after that, we're just gonna see what we're gonna do, and then we're gonna have to head to the gym. And instead of going to the garage, I'm gonna actually head to the gym. I'm already seeing that you guys are commenting funded, and the views are going crazy right now. I thank you guys so much. But don't worry, in four days there will be a winner. Anyways, let's just get our day started. All right, so I made it back. We got the food here. We got the rice, we got the chicken, the fried yuca. And now when I'm eating this, I'm gonna take the SIM card out, plug it into this, and start editing this video. All right, so we go on the way to Walmart right now. What's it called? I have to buy a cheesecake and some corn. I'm doing late Thanksgiving shopping, but it's okay. I'm pretty sure they're still gonna have it because it is a pretty big Walmart. So we on the way now. All right, so boom, we made it back. So this is the cheesecake, and I got the corn right here. I got like 3 packs of these. But yeah, I know I said this is for tomorrow, but I'm about to eat one right now. This shit look good. My fat ass is gonna eat this shit right now. Just one though, because tomorrow we gotta eat this. You see it? This shit may be from Walmart, but this shit good. All right, so now we done with that. We're gonna go head to the gym, but instead of me actually going to the gym, I'm gonna go to my backyard. It's just, being in my backyard, I feel better. I feel more like comfortable. But we're gonna get right to it. go. All right, so we just finished up the workout. Nothing too crazy. Same shit, different day. But this is where the video is gonna end. It's a really short one today, and I'm sorry for that. But I just didn't do anything today. You know, I came from overnight and I was just basically just tired all day. And I'll leave it at that. If you guys can, please subscribe, like, and comment, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.